Annyeonghaseyo to each and every one of you. In today's video, I wanted to show you our beautiful banana tree that has been growing for the past 5 years now, and it is amazingly beautiful this year here in the Pacific Northwest. And I just wanted to show you how we like to store the leaves and how we like to use the banana flower. So luckily this year the banana flower actually grew. We had about 3 that grew this year, so I'm going to be picking 2 of those, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a banana flower Laab, or what we like to call in the Hmong dialect Paaj Tsawb Laj. And this is amazing over fresh steamed rice or just as is, so super easy to make and very aromatic and delicious. So let's just get to it and show you our beautiful 5-year-old banana tree, and I will show you how to make the Laab as well. So let's go ahead and I will show you our beautiful 5-year-old banana tree. Let's go. So here is our 5-year-old banana tree, and it's been growing really well this year. It grows pretty well in the Pacific Northwest. We live in zone 8B, so we get a pretty good amount of rain and sunlight. So especially for this year, it is growing amazing. We also had a few banana flowers that actually blossomed this year as well. So here's my dad. He will be showing you how he likes to cut the banana tree. So the first thing he's going to do is, with his sharp Hmong knife, he's just going to cut the banana blossom so that I can show you all how to make the banana blossom Laab.
Không có cứu. Bây giờ chơi cho mày cà tê nè. Không cho nó sợ này nữa. Để tao mất sợ bắt chơi nó. Chúc họ chúng mình chơi. Hay nó thì cho chơi vô chơi nó luôn. Không có cứu. Không có cứu luôn. Không xử cái nó nữa. Nhưng mà tế tế nó nàng thì chứ một cậu trồng này tế trồng tế màu kia này.
Cute. So to allow the banana leaf to continue growing within the next couple of years, my dad likes to cut the oldest stem so that the other younger stem can have the ability to continue growing. So as you can see here, he's cutting the oldest stem here. Traditionally, back in Laos or Thailand, they would actually chop the banana stems here and actually use it to feed pigs. But since we don't have pigs, my dad would just be using it as compost.
Thằng nhóc nó tê thì chỗ này cho tưới cho bố chơi ở bố mua chơi bố nè. Bé chú mông bố bố để bé chỗ mua chỉ thế này, chỗ mà nó chẳng cái chẳng bông nó bao, chỗ còn nó rong thế. Chỗ này thật tiền này, sợi nè, sợi để tôi cán nó ối tôi cái khen này, để xài tao ta này lâu tao để này sợi ta để này tổ này, để tao mất giá chút sau đây chọi dầu xài lúc to, để một tôi lâu nó giá bao nhiêu. Để cho dầu sau lãng tuần nho chợ này.
And if it's not cold yet, the more you chop off the leaves, they do continue to grow and produce more. As you can see here, you can already see a few of the leaves wanting to pop out, and they'll probably be out within a couple of days. And here we have it, the banana flowers that grew this year and the beautiful green banana leaves. Now, to store and take care of the banana leaves, my mom likes to chop the bottom part off because it's a little bit too small. And then she'll trim off any smaller or unwanted part of the leaves here. And then right at the center here, the banana leaf will peel off nicely. So start from the top down to the bottom, and it will peel very nice right in the center core of the leaf here. And continue on with the other side. Now once they're nice and peeled, my mom likes to stack them together like this. And within every stack, just go ahead and give it a really nice fold like this. And this is ready to be packed. So to pack this, you can definitely put it in a Ziploc bag or a plastic bag. Banana leaves are amazing to use to help you wrap ingredients, wrap food. You can definitely use it for desserts, also for plating. There's a lot of different ways you can use banana leaves. So it's amazing to be put into the freezer and then take it out whenever you want to use it up. Now for the banana blossom, I am going to take a knife and chop off the top here and then give it a really good rinse. And to cook this, I like to wrap it in foil. And we're going to place it in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven and cook it under bake for about 45 minutes to an hour, or until the flour is nice and tender on the inside. After an hour, this is what it looks like. It's not the prettiest, but we are going to remove a few of the outer layers, and this is what it should look like. After it's nice and cooked, we're going to cut the bottom parts off here and cut it in half. And then in half again. And remove any of the florets that you don't want. Now florets are actually edible. Just make sure you take the center, which is called the pistil, off, because it is a little bit rough and tough to eat. So remove that if you want to use the florets. But I'm not going to be using the florets today, so I'm just going to take it out. Once that's nice and cleaned, I'm going to take a knife and chop off the center piece here, and then cut into bite-sized pieces. Now you can definitely find banana flowers at your local Asian grocery store. They usually will look like this, nice and purple exterior. Now you can actually use canned banana flowers as well. Just make sure you give it a really good rinse and boil it for a couple of minutes and strain it really well before you use it. But other than that, once the banana flower is nice and chopped, we'll set this aside and make the dressing. So in a bowl, I have 1 garlic that I minced up. I'm gonna add in some mushroom seasoning, some ground chili flakes, fish sauce, lime juice, and give this a really good stir. I'm going to add in 1 lemongrass that I thinly sliced, a quarter of a red onion, or you can use a small shallot, and then add in all of the cooked banana blossom. Add in some fresh cilantro and green onions and some toasted rice powder. Give this a really good stir and then taste it for seasoning. I'm going to add a little bit of salt just to enhance the flavor. And that's it. We are ready to serve. Now this dish is actually really good as a side dish to pair it with meat, but you can definitely just eat it simply over fresh steamed rice. And this is it. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you can give this recipe a try.